Hello, Richard here from Eagle6 Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokyo Marui Mark 18. This build has relatively simple. It's just a level 1 build. Obviously the upgraded power spring, we've got that at 274 on 3s. We've also got the CTR, Magpul CTR stock, which we've hollowed, and we've got a 7.4 1300 milliamp battery in there, lipo. We've also put the PTS grip on there, which is a different, cosmetic grip, which is quite nice. And we've obviously done the shimming accordingly to that grip. We're going to be providing a couple of batteries with this build. And other than that, that is everything. So we just want to demonstrate it working now and also all the features. So a single shot and bolt stops working. Auto working. There we go, all the builds are put together for you. We hope everything's all good. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise I hope you have lots of fun with it. Thank you.